Today we're reviewing Level 8's Luminous textured carry-on suitcase. Full disclosure, Level 8 did gift me this suitcase, but I'll be sharing my full and honest opinion with you guys today. Thank you so much, Level 8, for gifting this to me. If you're interested in snagging one of your own, use the link below and my discount code KelseyStyron to get 10% off your purchase. I do want to mention how beautiful this pink color is. Level 8 does have 5 other color options if pink isn't your vibe, but I am obsessed with how clean and feminine this looks. On one side of the suitcase, you'll notice 4 padded feet, which allows you to rest the suitcase really easily on its side. This carry-on also comes with a TSA lock and really easy instructions on how to set a new code. All you need is a pen to press in the password lock dot and set that new code. The default code is 000, and from there you can change to whatever you like. A quick test of the handle showed me that it was super easy to use and it was nice and smooth. These are nice. So this has the full spinner configuration. We see 2 different wheels on each side of the base. So this is really nice, really smooth. We also have this handle here on this side. We have a handle on this side as well. And this thing actually pulls out so you can get a good grip on this. We can see just how nice this is made. It is very textured. It has this texture material on the outside. And one thing I wanted to point out, when I had this on my vanity, I must have had some mascara or something black that was on there, and that did get on the outside of this. With that texture, it does form those little divots. With any light color that you're getting, you're kind of already committing to the potential for like scuffs and scrapes, and luggage gets scuffed and scraped, so that's just the nature of it. Really nice smooth zipper here. On this side, we have 2 separate little compartments. These would be great for any small items. Also, the zippers on these are really nice too. These are quality zippers. I like this material, I like the color. This is awesome. There's a lot of space in here. I'm gonna look at the other side. So this side is gonna have less space because it does have the handlebar assembly here. One thing I do wish that it had was the cross strap that can cross over and kind of cinch your items in place. I feel like, you know, having one of those, whether it was on this side or this side, would be nice. Even that being said, this is still really awesome. I love these extra compartments over here. Let's put some materials in here and see what the suitcase handles like when it has items inside of it. I used a couple different size packing cubes for this. Over here you can see there's still quite a bit of space over here. I could definitely fit more clothes and other items even on top of the packing cubes. And even with my largest packing cube, there is still space. Still spins perfectly, no effort here. So even with the added weight, it rolls nice and smooth. I feel like this is really quality. It's just very nicely made. It can handle well, and it can still fit quite a bit of extra clothing or anything else that you might need to pack. I love both the spinner wheels and the TSA lock that comes with it. It seems like it's gonna be a very durable suitcase in the long run. If you're interested in grabbing one of your own, you can use my link below. Use the code KelseyStyron for a 10% off discount. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.